The pattern for the natural minor scale is the same as the Aeolian mode: whole step, half step, whole step, whole step, half step, whole step, whole step. If we use only the letter name notes and the tonal center A, we have the key of A minor. Notice that it uses the exact same notes and will have the exact same key signature as C major. If I start on the 6th note of a major scale, I will find a minor scale with the same key signature. If I start on the 3rd note of a minor scale, I will find the major scale with the same key signature. These scales are said to have a relative relationship. The two scales that share the same key sign are relative scales. Each key sign represents two keys, a major key and a minor key. So there are a total of 30 individual worlds in our musical galaxy. You already know the key signatures as they represent a major scale. You must now learn the minor key that each represents as well. Since you know the major key signs, simply find the 6th note of the scale, which can also be found a minor third below Do, to find the relative minor key. It is also helpful to organize the minor keys on the circle of fifths. Practice your minor key signatures until you know them fairly well before progressing to the minor scales. For demonstration purposes, let's use C major as our reference point. If we compare C minor to C major, we are looking at a parallel key relationship. You will notice that there are 3 differences. In the minor scale, the 3rd, 6th, and 7th notes are a half step lower. In solfege, when we lower a note, we change the vowel sound to an A sound. So mi becomes me, la becomes le, and ti becomes te. Notice that I can start in C major, add 3 flats, which will be scale degrees 3, 6, and 7, and I have C minor. To get from C minor to C major, I must raise the 3rd, 6th, and 7th scale degrees. It's easy, just erase the 3 flats. Let's look at a few more parallel key relationships. A minor has no sharps and no flats. To change it into A major, I just add 3 sharps. Voila, A major. If I know that B major has 5 sharps, I can erase the last 3 sharps and I can make B minor. The last 3 sharps in a major key signature are always la, mi, and ti. If I know that the key of D major has 2 sharps, I can get to D minor. Erase the 2 sharps and I have lowered 2 notes. I need to lower 1 more note, so I just add a flat. D minor has 1 flat. B flat, of course. If F major has 1 flat, F minor has 4 flats. If C sharp major has 7 sharps, C sharp minor has 4 sharps. Just remember that with 7 letter names, you can never have more than 7 sharps or flats. Every key sign makes 2 keys. Every key has a relative partner. However, every key does not have a parallel partner. There is a key of D flat major, but no D flat minor. There is a key of D sharp minor, but there is no key of D sharp major. Be sure that you know and understand the minor key signatures before you explore the variations of the minor scale. Understanding the relative and parallel major and minor key relationships and the major and minor circle of fifths is to understand the relationships between the keys. Remember, information is carried by the relationships between things.